Hi, I'm Casey Plank. I work with King County Wastewater Treatment Division. I do public involvement and education at our treatment facilities. And today I just took a group of Redmond High School students through South Treatment Plant down here in Renton. We were looking at where the water comes from that we use every day, what goes into it, the pollutants that are there, how the treatment process is going to manage those different things, and then the fact that everything that does come into the treatment plant does get recycled. Redmond, right up here, is connected to our South Treatment Plant. These red lines on this map, if you can see it, are the large-scale conveyance pipes. These are King County operated. Right now, this entire dark purple area drains into the South Treatment Plant.
Is that in Renton? Okay.
In Renton. And then within the next couple years, starting around 2011, there will be large portions of this area right here that will be directed to the Brightwater Treatment Plant.
Up by Woodinville. Okay.
And that will be any new development around here and some existing houses developments. I'm not exactly sure what the time scale is for reconveying all of that infrastructure to Brightwater. But then we will have 3 regional treatment plants at that point: Brightwater in Woodinville, South Treatment Plant in Renton, and West Point in Discovery Park. Most of King County's drinking water comes from groundwater sources or protected watersheds, the Tolt and Cedar River watershed.
Do you use pump stations to pump the water, the sewage from Redmond to the station?
Yes, we do. And I don't know exactly where the Redmond pump stations are, but we have actually about 49 different pump and regulator stations. We do use gravity feed whenever possible. It is cheap and free. But we do have pump stations located all throughout the area. We do have control centers at each treatment plant.
And then after you treat the sewage, where does the treated sewage go?
From South Treatment Plant, right now it takes a 12-mile trip out off the peak of Alki Beach. Most of our treated water does go out to the Puget Sound. A very small portion of it will get recycled. It's called reclaimed water. It gets the highest level of treatment possible, and then it can be used for irrigation and industrial uses.
And how clean is the water?
The water that goes out into the Puget Sound is anywhere from 85 to 95% clean. That is strictly looking at solids, organic waste, human food waste, pathogens, and the biological oxygen demand of that water.
Now, is that water relatively clean compared to the rest of the country?
Yes. Absolutely. We are very lucky in this area. We are getting our drinking water from here. We have a very highly established wastewater treatment facility. We do get national awards. We have hit permit compliance through the Department of Ecology and the Environmental Protection Agency give us our permits. We are very consistently up there. We've gotten the platinum, which just basically means we've been really good for many years. And we are also very lucky. We are separated here. We get drinking water from here, we use it in our cities, and then it goes out to the Puget Sound. And it has to pass all the way through the water cycle before this water will ever end up back in our drinking water
I
supply.
see. So that's a good system then, isn't it?
We are very lucky. Geographically, we've just ended up in a really nice spot to be able to do that. And we do get a lot of water if we manage, if we conserve, if we manage our systems well, we will be fine with drinking water supplies.
Casey, I've got about 30 seconds left. Do you want to wrap it up?
Absolutely. All of you that are hopefully watching this are the very beginning of this. What goes down your drains and toilets is the start of this clean water process. The treatment plants use natural processes. They don't manage for all chemicals. Our systems do not manage all trash. If we could keep just organic waste and toilet paper going into the system, we can keep this water much cleaner. Medicines, take them back to pharmacies. All other chemicals, just reduce them where you can. Use trash cans instead of toilets. Serve water where possible. And let us know if you have any questions.
Okay.
We have tours, we have websites.
Thank you very much, Casey. Bye.